everyone, welcome to styleoblender, and I'm starting DIY tutorials again. I know it's been a long time and I'm really sorry because I've been uploading some other videos not related to DIYs anyways. So summer is here and we are changing our wardrobes. So what I've decided, my husband has been asking for the shorts lately, and he had so many pants which he doesn't want to wear for work or for casual wear. So I decided to make them as a short for him. So this is the cotton pant and this is jeans. So let's start the tutorial. First thing what you have to do is take the existing shorts. These shorts he doesn't like because he likes little long shorts. You can call it capri. He wants below the knees. So what you have to do is basically measure it and add 1 inches into it, and for the seam allowance, this extra inch is for seam allowance, and then just cut it and sew it basically. If you don't have any shorts and this is the first time you're making it for your husband or for your father or for your brother or boyfriend or whoever you're doing it for, so what you can do, ask him to wear the jeans or the pants you are altering and ask for the desired length, like how long they want their shorts to be. So mark on that desired length and that's it. You can start cutting. Now I am going to start cutting on the pants. Make sure you fold your pants like this, okay, this way. This is the way I do it, and I did it for my customers as well, and no complaints so far. So I think I figured this is the best way. I am going to cut on 27 inches. He's tall. He's 6'3", so that's why the measurements are like these, but you have to make sure about your own measurements. It would be better if you iron the pants. From the middle, I am going to mark on 27 inches right here, and then I will cut it. I want to show you one more trick that if you guys are confused, because a lot of time what happens is if you measure it from this side, this is the longer side, as you can see here. You can see this is longer than the other end. So what I do, that's what I would prefer you. Once you mark in the middle that how long you want your shorts to be, then what you can do is measure from here to bottom. It's 13.5 inches here. Now what I will do here, I'm gonna mark 13.5 inches here, and same thing I will do it on other side. All right, now I'm going to create a straight line, and as you can see, my lines are straight. Because of the hips, the back side of the pant has different measurements. This is the one way. I will show you the other way on the other one. So this is a very quick and easy way. I'm just going to cut it and just hem it. That's it. The other way to find out if this is perfect or not, then what you can do is here you go, hold it like this and you can check if the length is perfect or not, and here you go. Can you see the lines are perfect, nothing is uneven? Now all you have to do is hem it. There is a trick to hem this part because as you can see, this part is thick. It has 4 layers of denim. Now all you have to do is fold it like this fold it half, and then fold it one more time, and then sew here. That's it. I'm just gonna do that. Make sure the needle is for jeans, okay? For me, what I do, I usually use the higher number. It doesn't, for me, it doesn't have to be like a denim or jeans sewing needle. I just use the higher number, like 14 or 16 or 18. I mostly use 16 or 18 numbers needle on this like a thicker fabric like this denim. But some people are very specific about the needle, so for you guys, use the denim needle. Now, as you can see, when I fold this twice, this is how high it is going to be, and it's hard for me to sew here, but I will show you a little trick to sew this part. All right, I have ruler and it is this much thicker, you can see, and now I am going to place it here. Hopefully you can see. I'm just going to turn around. Now you can see it, this part right there, the back of this. I'm going to put this underneath, and I'm gonna lower the presser foot. And you have to be very slow here, very slow. Okay. I'm gonna press it down a little bit so it can, the seams can go inside. You have to be very slow. It doesn't matter what kind of needle you are using, but this much of the fabric is really hard. See? Now my presser foot in this fabric is leveled. You have to push it a little bit, very slowly. Now you can see I'm at the corner, so I took away my ruler, and then I'm going to continue as stitching the regular seam. Just gonna, you have to be a little bit careful around here, and then continue stitching. And that's it. You have your stitch done. This trick is for everybody, but for me, I sew a lot with denim in 4-layer denim or 2-layer denim, so I have an idea how I can sew it on regular sewing machines. What I do is, when I have like these kind of 4 layers or 3 layers, then I push my fabric inside, but I still do one seam at a time, so my needle won't break. That's it. I'm just gonna double sew it here. There you go. Cut any extra threads. And I will show you the seams here. Here you go. This is one, and this is the second side. It's all neatly done. It's for home, so I didn't pay much attention on details, but if you want to have like exact detail, then use this thread. If you want to match the color, then use this thread here as well, so you have like a professional seams here. I'm gonna finish it off and then I will show you how it turned out. All right guys, I am done and this is the final result. Here you go. As you can see, it's neatly done. It's for home. That's it. Here you go. And the length is perfect, nothing is uneven. And if you use this method and if you DIY the pants, please post some pictures on my Facebook page, or you can hashtag me at styleoblender and on my Instagram. So I would love to see how you guys do it. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope to see you guys in my next video. I will talk to you in my next video. Until the next time, take care you all. Bye.